which is that what we have been doing for last so many years, that we have been just exporting our raw material. That has to end. That has to end. The value addition has to come. And until and unless we do not have the value addition, we cannot transform economically like the Chileans have done, the Australians have done, the Canadians have done. This is the path for Pakistan, value addition. And this is the right step demonstrated here in Kevra. I'm pretty much sure that we will be exporting the quality product in the coming days, and Pakistan will get its rightful branding for the product, which is very important. And this would pave the way for further opportunities which lies from rare earth materials to copper and gold, to chromite, to lead and zinc, so on and so forth. Along with that, our human resource probably is more important even than our mineral resource. So our human resource coupled with our natural resource, which is the mineral resource, is one of that, will lead, inshallah, to the prosper Pakistan, to a stable Pakistan, to a rising Pakistan. And Pakistan will, inshallah, have not just its own dreams, but the realization of those dreams. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Prime Minister, for those wonderful messages and that extremely important reminder of why sustainability is so important. And now for the pinnacle of our day, the reason we are all gathered here with bated breath to take the significant milestone towards pink prosperity. It's time.
We have introduced comprehensive reforms to create a level playing field for investors with transparent regulations, streamlined procedures, and robust legal frameworks. This commitment to transparency and investor protection stands as a cornerstone of our economic vision. Ladies and gentlemen, the Special Investment Facilitation Council, famously known as SIFC, plays a pivotal role in our quest to create an enabling environment and facilitate foreign direct investment. Established in June 2023 with a vision of whole-of-a-government approach, SIFC serves as a one-window solution to investors, offering guidance, support, and streamlined approvals. This dedicated council works tirelessly to remove impediments to expedite the investment process. Through SIFC, we are actively promoting investment in sectors like energy, mines and minerals, information technology, agriculture, and livestock, as well as industry and tourism. Distinguished guests, our young and vibrant population, coupled with a growing middle class, presents a very attractive market for investors seeking long-term dividends and long-term engagement with Pakistan. Looking ahead to the future, the Government of Pakistan stands committed to extending all possible support to investors to facilitate more FDI. We are constantly working on improving the ease of doing business, eliminating unnecessary bureaucratic hurdles, and ensuring a smooth regulatory environment.